Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic Tom Yum. This iconic Thai soup is celebrated worldwide for its vibrant flavors and aromatic profile. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you create a delicious and satisfying dish right in your own kitchen. Get ready to explore the wonderful world of Thai cuisine with this classic recipe. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. Fresh lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves form the aromatic base. Don't forget bird's eye chilies for that signature heat, and your choice of protein like shrimp or chicken. Mushrooms add a lovely texture, while fish sauce, lime juice, and chili paste will perfectly balance the soup's complex flavors. First, prepare your aromatics by bruising the lemongrass and galangal and tearing the kaffir lime leaves. Simmer these in a pot of water or chicken broth to create a fragrant base. Next, add your protein such as shrimp or chicken, along with the mushrooms, cooking until just done. Finally, stir in lime juice, fish sauce, and chili paste to achieve that perfect hot and sour balance. Garnish your freshly made Tom Yum with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for an extra burst of flavor and color. Serve it piping hot, perhaps alongside some steamed jasmine rice, for a truly authentic and satisfying meal. Remember, you can always adjust the spice and sourness to your liking. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade Tom Yum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.